The title of this mini podcast is What Inspires You? Inspiration doesn't come with step-by-step rules. You won't 1, 2, 3 or ABC yourself to inspiration. It doesn't come in an orderly fashion. Yeah, there are some orderly rules worth adopting, guidelines that help bring order to your day. They're helpful, no doubt, but let's be clear. Rules don't inspire you, they just guide you. It reminds me of the teachings of two famous ancient Chinese philosophers, Confucius and Lao Tzu. Confucius, he was all about structure and discipline. Check out two of his messages. If I'm walking with two other men, each of them will serve as my teacher. I will pick out the good points of the one and imitate them, and the bad points of the other and correct them in myself. And you cannot open a book without learning something. You can almost imagine a book of his quotes titled Rules to Live By. Then there are these two from Lao Tzu. He came from a different place entirely. At the center of your being, you have the answer. You know who you are, and you know what you want. And when I let go of what I am, I become what I might be. Hear the contrast? Confucius speaks to your head. Lao Tzu speaks to your heart. And that's the key. True inspiration comes from the heart. It may show up in your head as a thought, but it starts as a feeling deep inside. Now, I'm not setting these two up to compete. This isn't Battle of the Sages. It's just a way to ask yourself, do I need more structure right now or more inspiration? I don't know about you, but I already have enough rules to live by. Getting some more just weighs me down. What lifts me up is inspiration. This I can assure you. If you read another 7-step book, you will become more educated. But it's my experience that education rarely leads to inspiration. It seems glaringly obvious to me that taking a quiet walk in nature will deliver more inspiration than multiple hours in a library. Putting your feet up and letting your hair down sets the stage for inspiration, more so than any structured preparation. You know best what you need more of in your life. My claim is simply this: you'll be more inspired when you have less step-by-step rules. All the best, John.